Jai Shri Gurudev. So in last class we already discussed practical problems on union and intersection. Some other problems. So next problem, question number 3. In a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi, and 200 can speak English. How many can speak both Hindi and English? Okay. So this is the question. So how to do this one? Let us take two things are there here, Hindi and English. Who speaks Hindi? Who speaks English? Okay. Let us consider. So let Hindi H be the set. H be the set of people. Set of people who can speak Hindi. Okay. Who can speak Hindi. Okay na. Next. So let us consider the H. This set is H. Okay. Next, let us consider E. E is the set of people who can speak English. So E means English, H means Hindi. Okay. N of H, right? N of H. Number of people who speaks Hindi. Hindi 250. Okay. Next. N of English. N of E. See, 200 can speak English. 200. Okay. Next. N of union. N of Hindi union English. Okay. So therefore, here that is not there. But you have to understood. But in a group of 400 people is there. Now this is called union. 400 people. So therefore, N of H union is equals to 400. 400 you have to write. And how many people can speak both Hindi and English? Hindi and English. And is there? No, and represents the intersection. So this is our logic is there. Okay, one shortcut trick is there. If and came means indirectly we have to understood that is intersection. So intersection part. R came R that is union. So understood this one. Okay. And bandre enta tagobeko intersection. R means union. So and is there, no? We have to find out the intersection part. So therefore find N of H intersection E. N of H intersection E. Okay. Next we will move to the solution. See, what is the formula? N of H intersection E is equals to N of H plus N of E minus N of H. Intersection is there, so you have to write union. Like that you have to write. Okay. Next substitute values. So here N of H is equals to what? 250 plus N of E 200 minus union 400. So this is the answer. Okay. So what is the answer? Tell me. 250 plus 200, 450. 450 minus 400, 50. So therefore 50 is the answer. So 50 is the answer. Like that we have to calculate. Okay. So therefore the 50 people can speak both Hindi and English. This is the answer. 50 people can speak both Hindi and English. Okay, next we will move to the fourth problem. See, next question number 4. If S and T, two sets are there, S and T are two sets such that S has 21 elements, T has 32 elements, and S intersection T has 11 elements, how many elements does Y have? Okay, so this is the question given. So how to solve this one? Question C. Solution. Okay. See, two sets are there now. So write down first N of S. N of S is equals to N of T is equals to N of S is equals to N of T is equals to N of S. N of S is equals to what? S has 21 elements. Come. So write down 21. Next, N of T. N of T means see here T has 32 elements. T has 32 elements. So therefore 30. Okay. Next. N of another statement is let's say S intersection T. So therefore N of S intersection T is equals to 11. Is equals to 11. S intersection T is equals to 11. Okay na? So next. So N of S, N of T, N of S intersection. What to find here? How many elements does Y have? So find N of Y. N of Y. So this one you have to find. So what is the formula? First you have to write the formula. Okay. Formula is N of S T, no, S intersection T is equals to S intersection T is equals to N of S plus N of T minus N of S union T. No, this is the main formula. Okay. S sorry, union first. Union, this is intersection. So this is the main formula. Any formula you can use. Both same. Both are same. Okay. S union T equals to N of S plus N of T minus N of S intersection T. Okay. Here, have to find out N of Y now. So N of Y. Sorry. How many elements does Y have? Once again. So here one correction. Okay, my dear students. So how many elements does S union T have? S union T. So not Y. Y because S T is there now. So mistakenly written. So S union T. So that's why find. See. Another time I will see. N of S is equals to 21. S has 21 elements. So N of S is equals to 21. T has 32 elements. So N of T is equals to 32. And S intersection T has 11 elements. So N of S intersection T is equals to 11. So next, how many elements does S union T have? So therefore find N of S union T. N of S union T. What is the formula? N of S union T is equals to N of S union T is equals to N of S plus N of T minus N of S intersection T. Okay. So N of S union T is equals to N of S plus N of T minus N of S intersection T. Substitute all the values. N of S is equals to 21 plus N of T is equals to 32 minus intersection 11. So this is the answer. So 21 plus 32, 53. 53 minus 11. 53 minus 11, 42. 53 minus 11, so 42. So this is the answer. Understood or not? Like that you have to simplify. Okay. Next we will see the next question. Okay. See next problem. Question number 5. See. Question number 5. Next problem. See. If X and Y are two sets, such that X has 40 elements, and X union Y has 60 elements, and X intersection Y has 10 elements. Okay. How many elements does Y have? So X intersection Y has 10 elements. So therefore Y. How to solve this one? See. So solution. So N of X is equals to, tell me what is the answer? N of X has 40 elements. So therefore N of X is equals to 40. Next what is given? Union X union Y has 60 elements. So therefore N of X union Y is equals to 60. N of X union Y is equals to 60. Okay. Next. See intersection. N of X intersection Y has 10 elements. Next. How many elements does Y have? So therefore find N of Y. So like that, if you write like this means it is very easy to find the problems, answers. it is very easy to find the answers. Why? Because what is given, what to find, it will create some knowledge to you. Okay, that's why. Okay, first you have to formulate like this. Next, what is the formula? X union y. Okay, n of x union y is equals to n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y. N of x intersection y. So this is the formula. So we should all these values here. N of x union y here 60 is equals to n of x. N of x is equals to 40. We don't know n of y. Let us say n of y minus n of intersection 10. So this is the this way you have to find. So 60 okay is equals to 40 minus 10 30 no 30 plus n of y okay. So therefore next how to find out n of y is equals to n of y is equals to ಈ 30 ನಾಸೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 60 minus 30 equals to 30 like that we have to simplify. See, this is the answer. N of y is equals to 30. So another way is there to find this problem also. Another way is there. What is that? Another formula is they will write like this directly formula. What is that? N of y is equals to like that they will write. See, n of y is equals to n of x union y plus n of x intersection y minus n of x. This is also formula derived from this only. So if you want, you can write like that. You can write this formulas. This is also good. Okay. But why I am telling like this means, so if you learn this formula well means one formula, you can calculate any problems. Okay. That's why this is the basic formula. Now a union we already told. Now here x and y. That's it. Okay. So like that you have to calculate. So this is the easiest method. Okay. See next problem. Next problem very very important question this one. See this is next problem very very important. In a group of 70 people, how many people are there? 70 people. 70 people. 37 like coffee. 37 members like coffee. 52 like tea. And each person like at least one of the two drinks. Okay. Among this one, among 70 members, so at least each person like at least one of the two drinks. Okay, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ, either coffee or tea or both also. Okay, how many people like both coffee and tea? And ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ already told no. And means what representation? Intersection representation. ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, and means intersection. Okay, so ಇವಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಬರೆಯೋಣ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಫಿ will take coffee as one side and tea as another side. Okay, see I am considering a set. Let A be the set of people who likes coffee. Okay, coffee ಇಷ್ಟಪಡೋರನ್ನ, so here write it in a set A. Okay, let B be the set of people who likes tea. So tea ಇಷ್ಟಪಡೋರೆಲ್ಲ B set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, see we will write one by one. N of A is equals to N of B is equals to N of A means who likes coffee. See 37 like coffee. Underline it. 37. This is over. Next, N of B 52 like tea. 52. Underline it. This one. This is also underline it. 52. So 52. Okay. Next, and is there? No. And. See here. And. So intersection find out model. So therefore find so n of A intersection B and another one left. What is that left? Another one union. So therefore n of A union B is equals to 1. Okay, from this problem, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. Okay, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, here another number is there 3, only 3 numbers are there. So this is n of A, this is n of B. So remaining is what? N of A union B ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So in a group of ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ union, that is a group union. So therefore is equals to 70. I have to find out n of A intersection B. N of A intersection B. So what is the formula for n of A intersection B? What is the formula for n of A intersection B? Very very important formula. You already know. Okay. N of A intersection B is equals to n of A intersection B is equals to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection A union. Intersection is there. Here intersection means A union. Here union means A intersection. That is the technique. Okay. Substitute all these values. 37 plus 52 minus 70 minus 70. 37 plus 52. Okay. So 3 plus 2 9. 3 plus 8. 89 minus 70 is equals to what? 89 minus 70 is equals to what? See, 37 plus 52. So 89. 89 minus 89. 89 minus 70 is equals to what? 90. Okay. 78 minus 7, 1, 9. Okay. Like that we had to simplify. So this is one of the very very important question for the main examination. Main examination get very very important. Okay. Next we will see the next question. See, these are the homework problems. I will explain how to do this one. So if you have any doubt means you can go through the example problems. These are the homework problems. Okay, example problems. No doubt bandre textbook nodi. So please purchase NCERT textbooks. Okay, NCERT textbooks anta irthe. So purchase that only. So some other authors don't purchase. Okay, if you want IIT, JEE, NEET, KSET purpose, you purchase your wish. Okay, but theory purpose you have to purchase NCERT textbooks only. Okay, for mathematics. These are the homework. So example 23. If x and y are the two sets such that x union y has 50, because what means n of x union y is equals to 50. You write next. X has 28, so therefore 28 elements means n of x is equals to 28. Next, and y has 32 elements. N of y is equals to 32. How many elements does x intersection y have? Very easy, no? So therefore n of x intersection y is equals to n of x plus n of y minus n of x union y. So you should all these values, you will get the answer. So if you have any doubt, go through that textbook. Page number 21. Okay, 21, 22. Okay. Next, we will move to the next. This is also homework. Example 24. In a school, there are 20 teachers. 20 teachers are there. 20 teachers are there who teach mathematics or physics or chemistry. R is antandre ಏನು? What is the meaning? Already told. O or R means union. Understood? So therefore, indirectly they are given union ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. Okay, union. Of these, 12 teach mathematics. Okay, 4 teach both physics and mathematics. And K means and ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ? So and ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ so intersection part. Intersection and ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ intersection part ಅಂತ. So therefore, how many teach physics only? How to solve this problem, sir? No, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ first. So already done so many problems, 2-3 problems. First you have to consider the sets, no? So that's why mathematics A set ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Mathematics ಬಂದು A, physics ಬಂದು B. Okay. Let A be the set. Let A be the set. So who teaches mathematics? Who teaches mathematics? Let A be the set. Who teach mathematics? Okay. Next, B be the set. Who teach physics? Who teaches physics? Okay, now first you have to write 2 steps like that. So A means mathematics, B means physics. Otherwise, sir, I will consider M mathematics, M sir. You can take any name. Okay. So physics B you can take. So you can take. So write according to that one. So you can take any. Okay. A B I considered A as mathematics, B as physics. Okay. Next. So n of A is equals to what here? N of A means mathematics. 12 teach mathematics only. N of A is equals to 12. See, n of a is equals to what? N of a is equals to 12. N of a is equals to 12. Maybe 12 teaches math. So already told now R means what? Union. So therefore n of a union b. A union b is equals to what? See here 20 teachers teach both and R is there. So therefore 20. Union. N a union. Next here another is there. And is there. Mathematics and 4 teachers both physics and means what? Intersection. So therefore 4. N of a intersection b is equals to 4. Okay. Next I have to find how many teachers physics own physics. So therefore n of find the n of b. So substitute write down formula n of a union b is equals to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. Substitute all these values, you can get the answer. Okay, very easy problems, my dear students. So do the homework. Okay. See next example 25. So you have to do this one also homework. Okay, example 25. So example 25. So in a class of 35 students, 24 like to play cricket. Okay, and 16 like to play football. Also each student likes to play at least one of the two games. Okay, each student likes to play at least one of the two games. How many students like to play both cricket and football? And means what? And means what? Intersection part already told now. So here we have to consider set A and set B. Otherwise cricket C, football F anta kuda consider ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So as your wish. Okay, so A is the set of students. A is the set of students who likes to play cricket. So A na cricket anta ತಗೊಂಡಿವೆ and let B be the set of students who likes to play football. So B is football anta ತಗೊಂಡಿವೆ. Okay, football. Understood or not? So you have to do this one as a homework. See, P of so n of a means what? Here in a class of 35 students, 24 like to play cricket. So therefore 24. N of b football. See, cricket 16 likes to play football. 16. Okay. Here 35 is there. No, in a class of 35 students means what? 35 students means in a class of 35 students mean what? So this is union. So therefore this is the union. So n of a intersection b is equals to 35. What to find means here and is there, no intersection we have to find. So therefore n of a intersection b we have to find. So what is the formula? N of a intersection b is equals to n of a plus n of b minus n of a union b. Same. So we should all the values, you will get the answer. Okay. Otherwise you can consider xy ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ consider ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ some other method also you can consider. Okay, your wish. You can take any xy ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ xy is taken xy. Okay, so you can take any variable, any set name, capital X capital Y taken in textbook. I taken a and b, so both are same, answer will be same for all. Okay, so my dear students, if you like this video means please share and subscribe to my channel. So if you have any doubt means ask the doubts through WhatsApp or call. Okay, otherwise comment in this below video. Thank you.